Hey, Tank. Come back here, Tank. Ouch. They're all like, not liking me. Ah! Come on over. Tank. Tank.
Madison, I can hear that music.
Hey, come here.
Oh, there's a good shot. Oh, go puppy.
Oh. La 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 la. Color blanket. Say no. Okay. One really good. He crawled over my legs. Going towards the vacuum cleaner. It's alright. Take it down. They're trying to climb over me. Because they'll get to me.
Those that you have there are the two boys, and Seth's got the two girls.
Oh no, I lost a girl.
Oh, that's okay. She can go explore.
Dude, no, this one's trying to climb over me.
She's gonna prop that girl away over there. She's the one that's gonna stay most likely.
What about Tank?
I think one of the